Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my brand new video. So today I am gonna tell you about how you can prepare manuscript for publishing in Emerald publication. So this is basically the Emerald publication page. First of all, you need to select your journal from the Emerald. There are various kinds of journal in Emerald publishing, so you can search your journal through this option, journal. Then you have to go to find a journal, this on. So after that you can search from here and select your desired journal in which you want to publish. So you can search the journal name through the subject. Like if you want to publish the article related to accounting, finance and economics, then you can select that. You can sort it out and from there you can select your desired journal. My publication I had selected Asian Journal of Economics and Banking, so I will show you this on. So I need to go there. Then here you can see the author guideline. So if you click on here, you can get all the guidelines, how you can prepare the manuscript, how you need to write your paper. So for manuscript requirement, here has been given all things like the format. Articles files should be provided in Microsoft Word format or LaTeX format, and the article length should be between 12,000 word, and there are all other instruction has been given. So basically I will try to show you about how you can prepare your manuscript. There are basically three word file you need to prepare. One is title page, one is table, and another one is main body. So in the title page, if I click on it, you can see first of all you have to write your title name here. Then you have to give two double space, you can give. Then you have to write here your name. Then you have to write here your study institutions details. Then you have to write here your mail or Gmail address. So after that, after email or Gmail address, then after again giving the double space, you have to write here the acknowledgement. You can write here according to you. Then you have to write the declaration of conflicting interest. After that you have to write about your funding. If there is any funding you have got for the research, you can mention here. So title page basically is about these things. You first of all you have to write your title, then you have to write your name and designation and full address, then you have to write the acknowledgement. After that you have to write here declaration of conflicting interest, then you have to write here funding. So after preparing the title page, you have to prepare your main body. Inside the main body, first of all you have to write here your title, then to write here your abstract. I think you need to follow that. The titles and the subtitles you have to write here in the font Georgia, and I have given here the font 11. The inside font I have given 10 and Times New Roman. So first of all you have to write here abstract, then you have to write here your purpose, then design and methodology, then you have to write here findings. After that you have to write here your practical implications, then you have to write here your originality or value. I am basically showing you about the basic structure, and if there is any specific journal requirements, you have to fulfill that. So you can get that from the author's guideline of the related journal. So after that you have to write here your keyword. Here I have given one space. Then after that you have to write here your article type, then the related GEL code. After that you have to give the number form like 1 2 3 like this, then background of the study. After that you have to write here the literature review. Then you have to write here the formation of hypothesis. It is very important for publishing in Emerald publication. Write the formulation of hypothesis. So you have to give here the proposed hypothesis for this study. Then you have to write here your methodological framework. You can write here according to your choice. And one more thing, the figures you will use in your article you can provide in the main body, and it should be in Roman form. Then the title and then graph. So the graph should be in the main body, but the table should be in another Word file. For the table you have to give here the title. For the title again you have to write the Roman name. Here the Roman name. Then you have to provide only the title. You don't need to provide the table inside the main body. It should be in the separate Word file. Then you have to write according to your choice. And one more thing, the references should be in the form Harvard. It basically prefers to use Harvard reference style. So you can find that in the author's guideline. So here you can see here has been given the Emerald Harvard referencing style. So this is basically the main body part. After that you need to prepare another Word file that for table. So here you can see you have to provide the table. If we look at the main body, we had given only the table title name, and then in separate Word file you have to provide the table title again, and then the table, and provide the footnote under the table. So here I have given all the table. You have any appendix you can provide here. Like this you can prepare the manuscript for email publication. In my next video I will show you how you can submit the manuscripts in email publications. Basically I will try to explain you step by step. So I hope you like this video and you will be with me for the following video. Allah Hafiz.